let's see how this goes. Well, I'm at Planet Granite San Francisco. Epic, and I'll show some scenery later too, how it looks outside. And working on a V5 roof climb on the ramp. It's significant for me because I want to do something different. I know I can probably do the climb, but I want to challenge myself and force maybe 2 or 3, maybe even 4 breaks. And that's a challenge in itself. How do you plan out the break appropriately so you have enough energy, but you don't waste as much energy taking a break. So what I'm experiencing is having fun. Today's a great day. It's Saturday, not very busy. So I'm able to take multiple angles, and ultimately it's about your progress, your fun, and I'm doing that. So I'm having fun by myself, party of one, as always. And just whether I get to climb or not, I'm having fun because I've always had this fear because I fall so much that I never wear a chalk bag. And where else better to wear a chalk bag is somewhere where you land flat on your back. So that's good. It makes me really focus. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you want, comment, whatever. But it's a good day. See ya. So I'm in my little corner, taking a break again. So that was just my 3rd try, and I just made it just into the V3, which is kind of cool. So maybe just throw an arbitrary, get a little more progress in the 3 portion, and maybe get the V5 in 5 tries. We'll see. But totally having fun, and this is so cool because it's funny how a chalk bag, I'm so worried about spilling chalk that the climbing is just fluid, which is really important. And I still need to figure out though, where is the best break. So far, just past the V4, taking a break a little better, but still a little bit burned. But now I have to focus on the V3, getting out of the roof into the slant. So we'll see. So let me focus on that, and then we'll see how far it goes. And then 4th, 5th try, like I said, this is totally cool. So totally having fun.